Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a puff pastry at your home for the party. So this is basically a starter guys. So let's start. So for this recipe what you need, here I have some puff pastry sheet. So this sheet is easily available in all the supermarket. So in one sheet we can make 5 to 6 guys, and here I have some boiled potato for the stuffing inside that pastry. So today I'm going to make this one for my son's Christmas party in the class. So let's start. So here I took 5 to 6 boiled potatoes, and I cook it in the pressure cooker for 3 whistles. So it should be like this guys. Then in this I'm going to add some salt. That is up to your taste, how much salt you want in your puff pastry. So here I am adding some salt. So I'm not going to add more chilies guys, because the kids they have to eat this one. And in this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Hey guys, in this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm not going to add too much chilies. So this is done guys. And if you want you can add the paneer also, but today I'm not going to add any paneer. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to mix these things together along with the salt and the chili powder. Hey guys, this is done. So in this potato you can add any vegetables like carrot, beans, mutton, so anything, and you can add mozzarella cheese also guys. So yeah, so the stuffing is ready, and I'm going to stuff this one in the puff pastry sheet. Hey guys, take one puff pastry sheet and you have to cut this one in the lengthwise. Then we have to cut like this guys, so that we'll get many pieces in one sheet. If you want big pieces you can cut into big size. Hey guys, I cut this one in the square shape guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stuff the potato inside this, and we have to fold like this. I will show you one. So take a small piece of this sheet and take 1 teaspoon of potato, and you have to stuff here like this, and you have to fold guys. So I will show you. Hey guys, so take a small piece of sheet and you have to take a small portion of potato, and you have to stuff this one inside. So, and what you have to do, you have to fold this one like this guys, and you have to cover this one all the sides, 4 sides. So this is ready. So this is very easy guys. So here I prepared all the puff pastry sheet, and this big one for the teachers. So yeah. Hey guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply some oil. So you can use any oil, or you can apply any butter also. So I'm going to brush this one in the top of all the puff pastry. Hey guys, I kept it in the oven, and I preheated the oven in 180 degree for up to 15 minutes. Then we have to cook this one for 20 minutes. Then my puff pastry will be ready guys. So yeah. Hey guys, my puff pastry is perfectly cooked in the oven, and it's very hot and crispy guys. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make puff pastry, potato puff pastry at your home. for the starter. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye. And you can have this puff pastry with any green chutney or tomato ketchup, anything, that is up to your choice.